Hello sir and everyone watching this video. Myself Suraj Pati, roll number 21EC30050, and this is my Arduino project on Tinkercad, and my project title is Smart Water Tank. So for creating this circuit I have used the Arduino board, the breadboard, an ultrasonic sensor, the piezo buzzer, a DC motor, H-bridge motor driver. It helps in running DC motors basically, an oscilloscope, a multimeter. So the idea used here is that this ultrasonic sensor basically detects the water level of a tank present over here. The water level when goes below a particular level, it detects that distance which I have set in the code, and it automatically turns on this DC motor that pours in more water and thus rises the water level. Now that water, when the water level comes to a particular height that is very close to the top, that is in order to stop the overflow of water. Uh, this circuit basically turns on this piezo buzzer which starts ringing and automatically stops this DC motor from functioning and pouring in more water. So now going over to the code part. This is the code. So first I had created a variable called as the water level, and then I used the trigger pin as trigger pin 4, which I've connected over here. I've selected eco pin 2, and I've set the units in centimeter. This block of code is basically used to show everything, the value of the water level variable on the serial monitor. Then I use the if condition and set that if the water level is greater than 220 centimeters, that is if the tank is that is if the tank is empty, then this set pin 9 to high and set pin 10 to low will basically turn on the DC motor. And if the water level is less than 90 centimeter, the set pin 9 high, set pin 10 high, this will basically turn off the DC motor, because this means basically the tank is full. And this basically turns on the piezo buzzer. And if this is not satisfied, the set pin 5 to low implies that the piezo buzzer will not ring. So now starting the simulation. As we can see that, here, if initially the water level is if initially the tank is empty, uh, the DC motor starts functioning and pours in more water. So now the water level will rise, and after reaching a particular level, the DC motor stops functioning and the piezo starts buzzing. Also, then if we use the water again and it goes below a certain level, the DC motor automatically starts functioning. So it's basically a fully automated system. And we can see on this oscilloscope and this multimeter the volt, the variation. We can see the variations on this oscilloscope, as well as this. We can see the voltage readings over here across the DC motor. Now, for generating the text code, we can go over here, blocks plus text, and now we have to copy it to the Arduino IDE. Now, after copying it to the Arduino IDE, and as we can see, the whole code is over here. Now, after compiling, it says it is all done compiling, and the code is a success. So thank you.